So guys, hello everyone. We start in our second webinar for beginners today in 5 p.m. Nigeria time. Guys, I want to ask you about one pause a little bit and let's stay and wait in 3 minutes. Another guys who want to actually join to our webinar, and I need to do a little work, and after 3 minutes we will start. Actually, you can see right now on my terminal it's our morning signals from Facebook. We not close it. Everyday trading signals for intraday trading. That's why you can see it, right? So guys, I am ready, and let's start. And I will tell you a little bit about our first webinar for today, what we will do. Actually guys, we will today it will be a webinar much with much more practice. Actually you will see how use the trading platform. So we will use MetaTrader 5 trading platform, and you can see it right now on my screen. Share what I share with you for you. What you need to do next? First of all, you need to go to the file and log in to trade account. After you create registration, you will get the login, and you will create on your registration password. So actually you can put it demo password too, and click OK, and you will see the trading pairs. So guys, first what I will tell you today, I will tell you a guide MT5 platform guide. So guys, if you have any questions, please ask me, because it's very good when you ask me the questions, because sometimes maybe you want to ask me some questions from first webinar. I will answer on it, no problem, absolutely. So about MT5 guide. Look guys, first what you need to do, first when you get the trading platform, you will see your trading platform the same like right now we see it. Some charts will be, maybe some charts looks like a lot of windows, and major one thing, it's in the left side you will see only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or maybe 10 currencies, and that's all. And actually if you try to use another way, forget the currency, you can see only that 10, maybe 15, and not all. In all of companies, LH Crypto have a lot of instruments for trading. That's why what you need to do to get all of that instruments, it's a click right button in any part of that window, and click show all, and you can see all the currencies what you can get. Actually you can create that window much bigger for understanding. You can see here Baidu, currencies, cryptocurrencies. So that's all. Very easy step for using the chart, for choosing the chart. It's a get that window and use, for example, Euro USD. Click on it left button and pop up it to here, and you can see how actually that window and we can see here that chart. So what we will do next? Next we need to understand how actually create the enter to position. To do the trading. First of all, we can see a lot of things here. I don't want to tell you about it now, because it's about analysis. Right now we create a guide for MetaTrader 5 trading platform. That's why what you need to enter to position, it's click to new order, and you can see here actually a symbol. All write it here automatically, don't need to actually read it. And sell by market and buy by market. That's if you click on that, you can actually enter to position. So guys, it's my real account, that's why I don't want to click on it. So for better trading, I want to tell you only one thing. In the header of that trading platform, we have a time frames. You know, we can choose the time frames, and of course we have a lot. It's a 1 minute chart. What does mean 1 minute? 1 minute, it's mean what that candle, it's only 1 minute. After 1 minute that candle will be closed and next candle will be created, and after 1 minute they stop, and like that. 5 minutes, it's mean what one candle, it's 5 minutes. 1 month, it's one candle, it's 1 month. So I can tell you, choose please only 1 hour chart. It's better, it's best chart for beginners, because you know, have a big rules in trading. You never go to position if you actually if last candle not close, because candle can be very big, candle can be very small. So I tell you a little bit more about candle, if you don't mind. If you don't mind, tell you more little bit about candle. So guys, have a look. What we have here, if we talk about candle, candle, it's a, I don't want to tell you about history because we don't have a lot of time, but what's mean candle? Candle have a body of candle, name body, and candle have a, how it name, one moment, it's name like have a tail, you know, have a tail, like what I mean that things, it's a tail, like tail. Yes. And what does it mean? Candle have a, first of all, it's a start of the time period, start. It's when the actually our time frame will start. If with 1 hour, it's mean what that hour will start, and close that 1 hour, close. So that tail mean what price will be here on that hour, will be here and here. Actually, candle, it's the same like that 1 hour, and price will open here, come here, little bit here, maybe here, and close here. That's a maximum 1 hour, minimum 1 hour, start in 1 hour, and actually end 1 hour. That's why that rule for waiting then the candle will close much better for us for understanding, because sometimes for that candle, for example, if you don't wait when the candle will close, you can see how here big candle, I think, and think wow, we will go higher. But no guys, look on it please, much look on it, because you can see how in the end of the hour actually that candle will come lower and close very lower. Sometimes that candle can go lower than than open, and actually then a candle lower than open, that candle will be black. When higher, close higher, when open, it's white. So a little bit about candle I told you. So what the about time frame, why 1 hour time frame it's much better than our one, because for that 1 hour you have a lot of time for thinking. You have a lot of time for thinking. You don't need to think faster like in 5 minute chart, and actually situation not change 1 hour. That's why you can create good ideas, you can create all of that and think a little bit not so faster. It's a good when you only start your education, because of course all of you and me, when I was a beginner in trading, want to create the trading enters much faster, as faster as I can, but right now but guys, it's not a good idea, because experience in all, it's always not fast, and if you will try create your enters to position with your own money, not on demo, actually guys, it will be not good idea, because you can lose it, and it's not, no, actually lose money, it's always bad, it's always bad. So that's why one rule, waiting right now, if I want to come to the enter to position here, yeah, here I need wait when that candle will stop and start a new candle. Why? Because right now maybe I can think, wow, chart go upper, but that candle in the end of that hour can be so big what actually we will lose our money if we not wait it. That's why guys, keep calm and do that not so faster. So let's go next. About time frame, I told to you, use only 1 hour and don't think anything about anything more about it. Don't need think about it. We have charts, bar charts, line chart, and a candle chart. Use candle chart. I told you it's all the same. Actually, bar chart is the same. Open, close, maximum, minimum. And that's all guys, actually that's all. And what we will think about next guys, we will talk with you about analysis, and we have two part of analysis, actually maybe three, but let's start from first one. The first one, it's a major one, it's a technical analysis, which named technical analysis. Yeah, technical analysis. It's use the graphic figures and use the trading line for better understanding where chart going. So what we will use to understand that, first of all, I need to give you a little bit theory. What theory I mean? One moment, I will open the pane. Where's my pane here? Theory, guys, it's actually very easy for understanding, but maybe not from first time, but try to do that, guys. And what I mean if I tell you it's easy, we have only three type of chart. It's when chart go up, chart stay in range, and chart go down. Only three of them. And one major thing, guys, on forex market it's a little bit more different than the actually stock market, but you need to understand only one thing: chart never change their direction without range. Of course, it not mean what after range always will be reversal. After range in the stock market always chart go upper, but on forex always reversal. But you need to understand only one thing. If you open the chart right now and you see, for example, like here, first one, what chart go higher. Let's create here one moment. I create new one. And you can see what chart go higher, and sometimes you have feeling, I wanna sell, I wanna bet on the reversal position, Guys, stop yourself and remember that thing. If you wanna sell, you need to wait when the chart start going in the range without any direction. Because if you sell here, a lot of beginners do that. Yeah, you actually can lose the money because chart can go up or stay in here with a lot of the same actually movements, and only after that go down. That's why if you see the chart, you need to understand what actually, if you want to sell, wait in that moment. If you want to buy, okay, you can do that, but I will tell you how do that later. So only three part of chart: higher, range, it's 2, range, and 3 down. So what does it mean for us? How we can understand that? For understand that, we have one very easy instrument. That instrument, it's a trading line, and actually it's a horizontal line. So if we use the trading line, how we can use it? We need, actually guys, if some of you use the telephone, you have on the telephone program trading line too, but it's not so comfortable how actually on the PC. That's why I try to use PC. On telephone it's actually not useful, so useful how here. So for use the trading line, you need only click on it, and you will in the only when you see on your chart window that cross, and actually you will click left button, and what you need, you can actually in any place create the trading line. You can use it, you can change it, but if you don't want to change it, click 2 times for it, and there start to be holding. Click 2 times more and you can change it. It's how we can use it. So how we can analyze with that trading line? It's actually very easy too. What we need to analyze that trading chart, it's need to use chart maximums and charts minimums. So I tell you how you can use it, guys. So one moment. Where is it here? Objects. Experts, where is it? Line chart indicators. So what we need for that, we need only look on the chart and see the maximums and minimums of the chart. I mean maximum and minimum maximum point which was on maximum and point which was on minimum. Graphical, one moment, text button, chart. Yes. So look on it. Where is the maximum of the chart? Here, yeah, here. So let it be red one. No, don't want to work. Okay, and minimum. Look, where is the minimum? Minimum here. Minimum here. You can see price always going like wave. Yeah, you know, like waves. Something upper, little bit down, little bit up, little bit down, little bit up, doesn't matter which direction, little bit up, little bit down, down, up, and that's waves maximum and minimums, I mean. So little bit up, little bit up, little bit down, I don't know, here not good minimum, little bit up, little bit down, little bit up, little bit down. How we can understand when that wave actually in the end? You can see down and up. Okay, that will be minimum. down, up, that will be minimum, down, up, that will be minimum, and down, up, actually here will be minimum too. But what we need, when we see it, actually don't need to use that things, I use only for show to you about maximum and minimums. We can get the trading line. Actually we can use it much more easier. We can get the trading line, and starting from maximum, look how that trading line actually work. We need to get second point, it's a second maximum, actually it will be here, and look what we see right now. That thing start to be a resistance line. What's mean resistance line? Resistance line mean what price don't want go higher that line. That line actually push on the same, like I can tell, push on the chart, and chart go lower and lower. So we, for example, can understand what if the price start to trade upper that resistance line. Of course we have a good understanding what maybe we need to close our position because something changed, yeah, and that line don't wanna push the chart lower. And if our chart lower that resistance line, of course it's good for us because we understand what we can trade lower. It's not 100%, I mean what we actually how we did the trades every morning, and we'll do every morning what we exactly know where we need to go to position. But right now we talk with you about analyze and the instrument for analyze market. So we can do the same thing with the second trading line, and we will do not higher points, we will do lower points. Actually we will get that point, and actually what we can, and that, yeah, and that point. No, it's not good idea, it's not good trading channel. But if we need very pretty trading channel, I can show it to you here. Look guys, I get the trading lines, and you can see right now we can use very interesting trading channel. Sometimes trading channel can be not pretty, the same like here, but sometimes like here trading channel can be very pretty. What does mean trading channel? Look guys, trading channel, it's a support and resistance line with one direction, it's down, and in that trading channel chart always movement on inside that trading channel. That trading channel give us a good opportunity to trade. What I mean, first of all, we understand where we need close our position with profit or with loss. Because if we trade sell, of course when price start to be higher resistance level, actually that line it's resistance, that line it's support in that chart. Then price start to be higher, of course we need to understand what we need, make a decision what we need to do next. Actually a good choice will be stop our trading in that position, because if you sell and price right now here, it's not interesting because you can see what resistance level actually not work, it's broken. Same thing with the support level. You can see what support level, it's a two opportunity for you. Yes, and actually if you do trade to buy and chart right now start like here, several candles lower that support level, you need to think about enter the position. But one rule guys, actually you can write it: if you see the trend which going down, of course you need trade only down, because don't need to trade, you know, to buy, because if we talk about the price going down, you actually in 99% will get the loss. It's a major education guys. If you need details, you can see my morning researches. I have a strategy, I will tell you like how do that in practice. But right now guys, I want to tell you that support and resistance level not only show us the trend and price direction, they show us the opportunity how we can trade. It's a very useful and very old method. What they mean, if you have actually few points, few points for trading, I don't know, when we see the channel, you can always see one thing. If price near resistance line and trend down, you always can create a position, down position. You always can create a down position. Yes, here, because resistance level, always try to try to create resistance from chart, and you can see where you can put your stop loss actually above that, and you can see where will be your take profit when you will actually close your position. It's here near the support level. Yeah, and the same thing you can see right now how a lot of trading position we have here. Actually, guys, have one rule too. If you see the 2 points when the price actually change the direction, point 1, point 2, on the point 3 don't need to come to position, because point 3 always will be breakout, the same like here. It's a major rule. Sometimes not, but don't do that, because 50-50, if price change the direction 2 times, and in time number in 3 time they actually will broke the line. And if we talk about broke the resistance line, if right now price was for example change from resistance line in third time, we will see in that place actually how price will go lower. One moment, I got with one. If right now here support, and for example support, and for this example he changed the direction here, it means what support will be broken on the next time. Support will be broken, because if we see a lot of support and resistance reversals, if right now that point will be reversal too, it means what support line will be broken, and actually price will go lower and lower. So that's usual analysis, which named technical analysis with support and resistance line with channels. Channels have a free channels in the market. How I told you earlier, it's a channel down trend channel, actually range. It's 2 can be in channel, and actually if we in downtrend we talk about only sell. In the channel which stay in range, we can actually use and buy and sell opportunity. Look on it, that's channel in range. What's wrong? One moment. That's channel in range, like here you see resistance line, support line, resistance line, support line, resistance line, support line, and actually sell here, sell here, take profit here, buy here, take profit here, sell here, take profit here, something like that. Buy here, take profit here. It's a for example, for example. And sometimes we have one not good thing, it's the same like that, but we talk about analysis right now. Some of you guys, actually we can use not only trading line and create a support resistance line, we can use the channel. We have here channel, and we can use the channel. We can actually do the channel on 1, maybe 2 clicks. You can see how I do that actually, and you can see right now the real channel, downtrend channel. Very good, very interesting downtrend channel. And look on it, guys, actually how after broken, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5, and actually he broke that line. Yes, downtrend channel. That's why for your trading in the future after that webinar will be better if you will use the trading line and try to see the channels on the chart. Channels can be in any chart, absolutely in any chart. I have a big experience, that's why I can see it in any chart. Right now what I see here I see range channel, here I see the same, like that's the channel in range, and right now start creating downtrend channel. Sometimes channel not very pretty, the same like here, yeah, the same like here, not very pretty channels. And but you need to choose the good pair which will create good channels, because it's a Canadian dollar Switzerland franc. It's actually not a very pretty currency pair. Very good currency pair for trading, guys. It's Euro USD. Use it, it all will be good for you. So guys, what that mean? Right now I show you how I use for analysis the trading level. If we talk about second analysis, we need to talk about indicators. So guys, indicators, how I told you earlier on my first webinar, indicators, it's a synthetic chart. Indicators have a lot of calculation how actually indicators get the few of the candles and create some average of that candles. We have a free part of indicators. We can use it actually. Right now I will talk about that faster, because we will create a next webinar. I will show you better about that. First of all, before I will tell you about that, I want you to trading lines and ask me the questions, because it's a very big thing. You need to training and ask me, because of course I can maybe tell you all, and you can understand all what I tell you. So we have trend indicators who actually better give us understanding about what trend right now. We have oscillators, they are very useful in range, when the price in range, and we have another indicators. So if you can see right now, for example, trend indicators, let it be Bollinger Bands, I will tell you about it later. You can see how actually much more faster than technical analysis we can see actually how price go down. And if we talk about channel a little bit, we can see right now the channel, of course not so pretty how it will be with the trading levels, but you can see it's a real, yeah, we see there go down, we see range here, yeah, we see range here, and right now, yeah, we see price go down, not so faster, but go down. And here too we can see real price go down. Yeah, it's mean indicators, but indicators very difficult to trade. I will tell you about that later. So what I want to tell you right now, guys, is have one major thing what you need to know. Of course, right now you know how trading the market, how actually use the trading line, how and open the position, but you need one thing. Actually, you have a good instrument when you trade. It instrument mean what you can actually stop your losses or get your profit in any time when you not sitting with your computer. I don't know what's about take profit, how you better will use how better for you will be use it, but about stop loss I want to tell you 100%. Everyone need to start use it actually from tomorrow, because stop loss is very great thing for not lose your money. So I will create a little position right now for my own money. So for example that chart, and I open and I actually try to sell by market, I little one, it's volume use, guys, only 0.01. It's a much lower position, it's will be better for you. So sell by market, and guys, you can see how actually on my monitor I see the line. I choose the little, I see the line, and I see the red things, and I see my sell order. So what I need to do next for my stop loss, guys, I can actually click on that line, push it, and need to do one thing. It's wherever I want, it will be, if it upper, it will be my stop loss. Look on the left side of that red line. You can see how much money you lose in pips and in bitcoins, and you can choose. Actually, for example, I want to lose only 25 pips, not more. And no, sometimes don't want, I want to actually that position. It will be my stop loss. Of course, I can create the same thing with take profit, and you can see in the left side I see my profit, how much it will be, and actually stay. So guys, what I want to tell you about that, if you will do that first time, when first time you will create stop loss the same method, you will see the window, and you need to click on it. I agree, use it. After that, create the stop loss second time. So guys, what I want to tell you, first of all, why you need to use stop loss, because you always will see how much money you lose, and you need to understand what, without experience, actually first time you will lose money if you not use my morning researches, like the same, like right now you can see all our trades in profit, and we create everyday trading signals. It's not for 1 week, I don't know, something like that, every day 20 minutes for create trading signals. That's why you need to understand how much money you lose. And of course, if you major one, if you use the real money, you need to always understand that. So guys, I close that position because not interesting for my trading history that position. I only show to you, but one major thing what I so how you can actually close your position. You can see the cross here near in the your position line, yeah, your position line, and you can see cross. You can cross, click on cross, and your position will be closed. So what you can see, balance, equity, don't need anything of that, and you can see your profit here. All position calculate with profit and all loss here. Actually, ask me question, guys, will be better for that, because a lot of things can tell about that, but you need to ask me the questions, will be much better. So that's all. In the end, what I want to tell you, first of all, I want to, who will be with me, who will come on the next webinar, I want to tell you, first of all, first task, you need to try to, of course, open account and open demo account, for example, it's no problem, and try to create the orders, enter to positions, sell, buy, it doesn't matter. Demo account don't give you anything bad, that's why try create it. Second one, you need to choose a 1 hour chart and try to use the trading lines, the same like I do right now. Try to use trading line, try to see the channels. Very easy to see it for me, but of course for you who only start will be difficult. After that, guys, I am open for your questions and try to do that. That's your task for next webinar. And the second task, guys, try to use stop loss. Try to use stop loss because you need to enter to position on your demo account, and always try to use stop loss because you need to do that trading to understand how it work actually. And guys, it's all for today. We today I told you about very easy technical analysis, and on the next webinar I will tell you how use the indicators and actually how combine indicator analysis and trading line analysis, because we always can combine to understand what need to do in the market much more better, where enter to position and all of that. So guys, that's all. Ask the questions if you have it. I see all guys actually stop watching. No, actually I will stop too. So guys, bye bye. We'll glad to see you on the next webinar, and we'll glad to answer on all your questions. Bye bye.